Three out.
Barely, I'm out 9-8.
Number 7, 2 miles, still leading our Division 2, or Division 1 District 2.
I'll call you later, okay?
Where the orange car is on the left-hand side, just past this back here.
Yeah,
Oh, there he is.
on your mark.
White boys.
Let's go, Bears!
Let's go, Bears!
Our third team going to Division 1.
You got this! You got it!
Go, Vicente, move up. Move up. There you go. Eyes on the next group. There you go.
Let's go, Kusky.
Xander, use your momentum. Come on. Push through this hill. Push through this hill.
Let's go.
Here you go. This is where the race starts, Xander. This is where the race starts. You got to stay reeling in. Come on.
Let's go, Joey.
You got to grind, Joey. You got to
Keep going.
grind.
Move your way up. We need to gain places.
Here you go, Chase. This is where we grind. Come on. This is where we grind.
Come on, Jared. Come on, Jared. Up the hill.
This is the race, Chase. This is the race. This part right here.
Come on, Gabe. Come on, Gabe. Come on, Gabe. Up the hill and you're in the flat.
Here we go, Riley. Grind, 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 grind.
Move up a bit. Gabe.
Here we go.
Let's
Keep catching bodies, Riley. Keep catching bodies. Here we go. Come on. Keep reeling them in. Next group at a time. Come on. Here we go, Xavier. Come on, big group right here. Let's wall them up. Let's wall them up, Xavier. Let's wall them up. There you go. Eyes on Riley. Go get Riley. Here we go, Nick. You got to grind, Nick. You got to grind. Come on, Nick. This is the part of the race. You got to grind, man. You can't let off. Here we go, Nick. We got to stay in gear. You can't let off.
And Polly with 4 runners in the top 22. And Richard Moreno stretches it out at the end for the win, 15:44. Aguilar Catella second, 15:45. Rona of Long Beach Poly third, 15:49. Denhalter Vista Murrieta, 15:49. Brendan Booty moved up 5 spots from the halfway point, run 15:50 at 5th. Mike Martinez to Chaparral 6th at 15:52. Benjamin Prado, Fountain Valley, 15:54 and 7th. Robert Guerrero, Logan Folly, just a shade under 16 at 59 and 8th. Nathan Mara of Loyola, 16:05, and Henry Payne of Loyola, 16:10. Jason Parra very quickly, 4:44 for the first mile. That's his fastest first mile of the day here. That's him already making that final big left turn. That U-turn, you got about 120 meters to go to get to the final pop out the switchbacks. But that's a comfortable lead here. Fitzgerald and Simmons running well for Crescenta Valley, the Pacific League champions there. Dominguez of Santa Ana right there in fourth. Jimmy just a junior running well. Jason Barra, Milliken, just a sophomore, out very quickly coming to the crossover here, the Moore League champion this year. Dominguez of Santa Ana in second. Barra goes by the crossover in the lead though. Dominguez, and then Fitzgerald and Simmons from Crescenta Valley. Fredericks of Saugus in fifth. Nathan Walt